Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that's sure to elevate your breakfast game, the Elite Gourmet Easy Electric 7 Egg Cooker. We discovered this handy appliance online, and we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make cooking eggs a breeze. Whether you're in the mood for soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, or even scrambling some for a delicious omelet, this cooker has got you covered. It can prepare up to 7 eggs at once, which is perfect for families or meal prep enthusiasts. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this egg cooker. One of its key highlights is its rapid boiling capability. You simply fill the included measuring cup with water to your desired level of doneness, press the power button, and in just a few minutes, your eggs will be cooked to perfection. This is not only faster than traditional stovetop methods, but it also ensures consistent results every time. Plus, the built-in timer, buzzer, and auto shut-off features mean you can set it and forget it, making it user-friendly for everyone in the family, from kids to grandparents. Another impressive aspect is the easy-to-peel shell. We all know the frustration of struggling to peel hard-boiled eggs, but with the Elite Gourmet Cooker, the shells come off effortlessly. This saves you time and keeps your eggs looking great, whether you're serving them straight up or using them in a recipe. Now, who is this egg cooker suitable for? It's ideal for busy individuals, parents looking to make quick and nutritious meals, and even college students who want a convenient way to prepare eggs without the hassle of a full kitchen setup. If you enjoy hosting brunches or need to whip up dishes for potlucks, this cooker can handle multiple eggs at once, making it a practical addition to your kitchen. Let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine starting your day with perfectly boiled eggs to accompany your avocado toast. Or, if you're preparing for a party, you can make deviled eggs in no time, impressing your guests with your culinary skills. If you're feeling adventurous, the cooker also comes with trays for poaching eggs and making omelets, as well as a steaming function for veggies. This versatility means you can get creative in the kitchen without adding extra appliances to your counter. Included in the box are the egg cooker base, a dishwasher-safe removable egg tray that holds up to 7 eggs, a 2-egg poaching tray, an omelet tray, and a measuring cup with firmness markings. It even comes with a clear lid and a colorful instruction manual featuring 16 delicious recipes to inspire your cooking. Lastly, with a 2-year limited warranty and US-based customer support, buying the Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker feels like a risk-free investment. The company has been providing quality kitchen appliances for over 35 years, ensuring that you'll receive a robust product and responsive customer care. In conclusion, if you're looking for a convenient, efficient, and versatile way to prepare eggs, the Elite Gourmet Easy Electric 7 Egg Cooker is definitely worth considering. It simplifies the cooking process and delivers consistently excellent results, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.